Hey guys, this next video is going to show you how to input your broker fees onto the management system. This is going to be the way that, the most important thing I think is to be able to track what you have done and go back and look at what you did last month and look at what you did last quarter, look at what you did last year, and be able to see how much money you made and where the referral sources were coming from, what you can do better. You can even set goals for yourself. But right here, it's going to be a quick video, and it just shows you how to input a broker fee. Once you charge the customer and the payment clears, whether it be cash, credit, or debit card, you go here and you put it in the system, and it'll send it to the corporate office, and they'll be able to pay you on it at the end of the month according to what you put in the system here. Very important. So this is already, I have a customer's account open right here. If you don't know how to get to this part of it, you can go back to one of my other training videos, but you just pretty much type their name right here and you press details and the customer's account shows up. Now this is a customer that I just sold probably about 30 minutes ago. So if you'll see, there's no policy information because it hasn't downloaded yet. All I did was I created her account. I put her phone number and her email. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Documents, and you're going to go over to Issue Payments. Okay, and once you go to Issue Payments, the next thing you're going to do is click right here, Make a Payment. Okay, and so once you click Make a Payment, you have different options of what kind of a payment you can make and who you made the payment to specifically. So rule number one is you always want to check this box here that allows you to make different changes. Put the transaction date. I did this today. That's June 12th, 2019. The due date is always the same. Typically, if you're entering this in later, you can choose the policy, but in this case, there's no policy yet. It'll probably download in about a day or two, so that's fine. Fee name, this is the important one. You always want to choose agency fee for this one. And in this case, the agency fee that I charge to the customer, let me just look at my notes right here. Just bear with me 1 second. The amount that I charged her was $268.90. And you can even add the $5 processing fee right here if you wanted to. I'm just not going to. And down here, you choose the agent that took the payment. That's me. Pay with a debit card. Right here, you want to leave the Clover transaction. So I have this. It's going to be, give me 1 second, ERPX6886Q3KXC. Very complicated. And you can leave notes here if you like. And you go ahead and press Make a Payment. Okay. It looks like the payment was made, and because you made the payment, you can actually access the receipt right here. And there is your payment, and if you want, you can view the receipt. And again, guys, this is what Casablanca is going to pay you based off of. They're going to run reports and see every broker fee that was entered in here that says agency fee. They're going to run just a report on that, and they're going to put the total, and they're going to match this with the reference number from Clover. And if they look this reference number up in Clover and it matches with this, you get paid your broker fee. Stay tuned for the next video.